Once upon a time, in a verdant forest, dwelt a golden finch named Finchina, renowned for her radiant plumage. The forest was lush and vibrant, yet Finchina's golden hue shone like a beacon, inspiring the hearts of all who beheld her. One day, a great storm swept through the forest, uprooting trees and leaving a trail of destruction. Finchina, unable to escape the tempest's wrath, lost her precious feathers, leaving her vulnerable and cold. The once resplendent bird was now a mere shadow of her former self. In the aftermath of the storm, Finchina found solace in the company of a humble sparrow named Sparo. Sparo, with his plain brown feathers, was no match for Finchina's former glory, but he offered her warmth and comfort in her hour of need. As days turned into weeks, Finchina began to realize that her value was not in her golden feathers but in the kindness she received from others. She learned to embrace her new plumage, even as it made her blend in with the rest of the forest. One day, Finchina looked at her reflection in a crystal-clear stream and saw not a bird of gilded splendor, but a bird who had learned the true meaning of resilience and the power of humility. She had been tested by the storm, but she emerged stronger and wiser. From that day on, Finchina spread her wings wide, not to show off her once resplendent feathers, but to share the warmth and comfort she had received. She became a symbol of hope and resilience, a testament to the power of the human spirit within us all. In the end, the golden finch, no longer a symbol of vanity, but a symbol of enduring strength, continued to inspire the hearts of the forest creatures, reminding them that true beauty lies not in outward appearances, but in the kindness we offer to others.